Hello students, Happy New Year, it's 2021 and we're back finally with whiteboard videos. So obviously if you guys have any questions, anything that you want to study, throw it in the comments below and we, Mark and I, will make that video for you. But today we're going to talk about kind of a difficult passive structure. This probably will be intermediate and above for you students watching. So let's get into it. So today we're talking about have or get something done. So as I mentioned just earlier, this is a passive structure. And basically why do we call it a passive structure is because something is happening to me. Something is happening to me. I'm not doing the action. Something is happening to me. All right, so in this particular case, we're talking about when we pay someone to do something. When we pay someone to do something. So there's a very common mistake that even native speakers make is, oh, you cut your hair. Actually, that is incorrect. We cannot say you cut your hair because I didn't cut it myself, right? I paid somebody to do that, right? But of course, I would never say, oh, hey, Matt, nice hair. I'd be like, oh, thanks. I paid someone to cut it for me. No, that's not a natural sentence. So here's how we do it. All right, so we're going to use a subject, and then have, and then something, and then a past participle. All right, so if we look at this second sentence here first, then we'll go back to the first one. All right, so I had my computer fixed. I had my computer fixed. That means I paid someone to do it for me. I didn't have the expertise, or I didn't have the time to fix my computer. It was broken, so I took it to a shop, maybe an Apple shop, and I said, hey, can you fix this for me? And they said, of course. And it wasn't free, so I paid them. So I paid someone to fix my computer, or I had my computer fixed, right? I had my computer fixed. If I did it myself, then I would just use an active sentence, and I would say, I fixed my computer. I fixed it. Maybe it was a small problem. The email was not working or something, so I closed it and opened it again. I fixed my computer by myself, right? So here, this is what we're talking about today. I paid someone to do that, all right? And here you can see have or get. So of course, I can change that to I got my computer fixed, no problem. Now, this is usually when we have any kind of particular service, like haircut, I can't even think of it. Haircuts or, Mark, give me an idea.
Car wash?
Car wash, okay, yeah, I had my car washed, right? I had my car washed, or I went to the eye doctor, I had my eyes tested, right? I can't test my own eyes, right? But I had my eyes tested, right? So I paid someone to do that, or usually we pay someone. Of course, if it's part of insurance or something like that, then we don't have to pay, all right? So that's pretty much for the first part. When we pay someone to do something, we use this kind of complicated structure. All right, and this is another thing. I don't really use this very often, but it's definitely in some of the textbooks. And maybe this is more of a British English kind of thing. But if something bad happens to us, right? So I had my wallet stolen, okay? Now, of course, I didn't pay somebody to steal my wallet, okay? That seems like a really bad idea. But I could say I had my wallet stolen. Oh my God, where's my wallet? Oh, I had my wallet stolen. Just means something bad happened to me, right? And again, this is not so natural for me, so it's actually difficult for me to come up with any ideas here. But if you have an idea, you can throw that down in the comments. So there it is, just a simple, short video just to start off 2021. And finally, we're back on the whiteboard, super happy. So thanks again, hit like, hit subscribe, let us notify you when we put up new videos. Lots and lots of new exciting content coming in 2021. So thanks very much.